How to create a simple slide counting animation in After Effects. This is a really cool effect if you want to make a years counting animation. But now the question is, how can you create this effect yourself? Let's dive right into the video. First, we need to create text. Just get the type tool with the shortcut Ctrl+T. Then click on the preview screen and type the years or whatever you want. For example, let's use the years from 2000 to 2024. To generate this list quickly, you can use ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT to count for you, ensuring the years are listed in a row without commas. Copy that list and paste it into the text layer. Center it by using the align tool. Now we need to animate it. Go to the effects and presets panel, search for the transform plugin. Create a position keyframe from the transform plugin. Select the layer and press U to see the keyframes you have made. Position the first keyframe at the beginning of the timeline, corresponding to the first number or year. Move further along the timeline and create another keyframe for the end number or year. If the animation is too slow, adjust the time between the two keyframes to your liking. Next, make the keyframes easy by pressing F9. Set the shutter angle to 360 to add some motion blur. This will improve the animation, but it can be even better by adjusting the graph. Go to the edit speed graph and follow what I do with the graph for getting a smooth result. You can also do this graph the other way around, so the animation starts slowly and ends quickly. Just experiment with it to get an even smoother result. You can add some motion blur. Now turn on title action save to better see where the middle is. To focus only on the current year and hide the other years. Create a shape layer. Use the rectangle tool to mark the middle number as shown. It doesn't have to be perfect as long as it covers the middle numbers. Next, go to the effects and presets panel. Search for the set matte plugin and add it to the text layer. Set the take matte from layer to the shape layer. Finally, make the shape layer invisible by clicking the eye icon. And here we go. If you're not satisfied and want to add a vignette, go to the effects and presets panel, search for the CC vignette plugin and add it to the text layer. Adjust the values to achieve a nice vignette effect for a final touch. Now you've created a simple slide counting animation in After Effects. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.